All right, happy. What is today? Wednesday. I hope everyone is having an absolutely happy day. This morning, we actually had an amazing team meeting. On Wednesdays, our team actually meets to go over some things that are currently going on in our company. As you guys can see in this post or in the title, today I wanted to share with you guys. Yesterday, I did, showed you guys a cool product on that you guys can use. And today I just wanted to share, go deeper with that product on how I personally use it. And, with the whole AI thing, like it's doing a lot for us where it makes us like, when it comes to I think the most important thing for us to understand that it's a resource that we can use. But of course, you still have to put the human into it. And maybe like as it grows, like you don't have to do that, but you just have to kind of, change some things possibly. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. I may not see your guys' questions if you have questions, but I'm here if you need me. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. And go ahead and do Windows since I will be going into I'll be looking at multiple different things with you guys. So the first thing that we're actually going to want to go into is Canva. So with AI, I'm going to show you guys pretty much how to come up with the content, how to come up with the post. And so I'm going to go ahead and go to one moment. So I'm going to go ahead and go into start writing. So with this is going to help me come up with ideas. So this you can actually do, and as you can see, I went into canva.com. I currently have the paid version, and I want to say you have to pay for it to do all of these things I'm going to show you with AI, but it's like $12. And I want to say that if you guys pay for it yearly, you do get a pretty good discount, which I think it adds up to like $9 a month. So take a look at it. It's a pretty great product for what you get, and they're always updating Canva. I've been seeing a lot of updates lately, and I'm sure as AI grows, I'm sure they're going to do a whole lot more. And so I use to kind of write out this is for our construction business, but yesterday I showed you guys how to like write out these posts right here. And so today what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and we're going to focus on an education post. So let me say that I want let's go to, it's right here. And we're going to click on this plus sign right here and press plus. And I'm going to click on Magic Write. And this actually does a lot for us, but let's just do the Magic Write. And let's say I want to say 7 reasons why you should use a licensed still use a let's just say 7 reasons why you should use fiber optics is a licensed low voltage contractor. And so now it's going to click on generate. And as that generates, it's going to provide me 7 reasons. And then what I want to do is kind of go in here and make sure that it makes sense. Any spellings that I might see, including the installation, expertise. A licensed low voltage contractor has the knowledge and expertise to handle a wide range of low voltage projects, including the installation, repair, and maintenance of low voltage systems. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste. And we're going to go ahead and click. So the next thing is to actually create the content. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create blank Instagram post. And now I just want to take a look at the templates that they have here. Let's just say I want to use this one right here. And we're going to do communications. I'm going to change that color. And that's under highlight. We're going to change it to the company brand colors, which let's do white, and we'll do the text black. All right. And then, so what we're going to do now is come in here and go to apps, and we're going to click on bulk curations. We're going to enter manual daily. I'm going to okay. Shoot, let me do this real quick. Delete this row. Delete column, and I'm going to go ahead and press done. And so now what I'm going to do is we're going to click on that. We're going to click on connect data. We're going to click on name, and we're going to click on continue. And now all of these, all the documents or all the different reasons of why you should hire a low licensed low voltage contractor is all going to appear, and we're going to go ahead and click generate. And so now it's going to create these pages for me of why someone, of course, you're going to want to kind of shoot. What did it happen? So now I might want to come here and just edit it real quick just so it looks. Let's say I want to use this guy. Or if I want to use a different picture, like there's a lot of options that I can use. And then if you want to change this picture, systems. And so you just kind of want to go through it and just make sure that everything makes sense. And maybe we want to get a safety sign instead. Or if we just want to do this, that might work. And maybe we want to change the background. But yeah, so we just want to make sure we kind of go in there and fix these things real quick. Compliance. Change that. All right, and maybe I want to bring this up a little bit. Maybe I want to put this down here. I want to put this here. I can just kind of change things around. Or if I want to, and then for the next one, quality. Voltage contractor. If I would have made this like all at once, and then I wouldn't have to worry about that. But let's say I want to quality if I want to put in the logo. Let's see. Like this just pretty much streamlines everything, so it's super easy to do. Just changing the text. Let's say I want to change this. Let's do effects. Let's change it to blue. And then we'll change the text to white or gray. And we'll change that to black, or maybe we'll do blue. And then that's another post that we can do. We got a couple more to do. Let's just go ahead and just keep with 5. You know, another thing that a low voltage contractor can provide is a warranty. And then, yeah, that's just kind of taking a quick glance at things and just fixing things so it's not all the same, but you know, we're able to do this pretty quickly. Let's just say we wanted to take that out completely, and I'm wanting to put this one instead. Say I wanted to do this. All right, and we'll delete the rest. We'll do one more. Let me see if anyone has any questions. Nope. Voltage contractor. Okay. And we'll just use a photo. Let's say we wanted to use this one right here. Or we might want to find another photo. See if I can find a photo of my stuff. All right. And then that's pretty much it. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and go, maybe I want to change this background. Let's do, say we wanted to do, okay. And let's do blue, blue. This is going to have to be a different color. Let's go to effects. Let's go to change color. Let's do black. And then we'll change the color to white. And then we can also bring in the logo. I don't like that. Let's go black. And effects. And we'll extend that. I gotta make that. And then we could bring in the logo. And if I wanted to bring this to be black, so it's different colors, I could. And that's a way we can create all of our designs. So now we have created about 6 designs using AI. Of course, we have to go in and change some things up. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on download. And now we're going to go ahead and go into Trello. As you see, I already have my 5 weeks worth of content. I'm going to go ahead and click Tuesday. I'm going to go ahead and go into attachment. I think I'll click on that first. Okay. I'm going to go back to attachment, choose file. We're going to go to bulk, and we're going to do the first one, expertise. All right, and then for the text, we're going to go over here. Let's say I want to take this, so we have this. And instead of using that exact text, I can just copy and paste that. And I can click plus, and I can have it rewrite it for me. I've actually noticed, because I've been using this, I've actually seen an increase of my stuff being liked. So I can go ahead and press OK. And now I can go ahead and press text, write a description, OK. I don't think the benefits of choose, make sure everything makes sense. And then I'm going to here. Use my, and then I'm going to press save. And of course, like, it's super important that you guys actually read this. So it says benefits of hiring a low voltage contractor. If you're considering a low voltage project for your home or business, hiring a licensed low voltage contractor can be a wise decision. Here are some key benefits to keep in mind. And I may want to change this, honestly. And if I don't like the way it says, I can come in here and I can plus. I can press plus, and I can click on summarize text. So maybe I just want to use that instead. And making sure that all the text is correct. Spell check, love it. And then maybe when you add some Las Vegas local business contractor, like whatever tags that we use. And I'll do one more, and you guys get the gist of it. And so we're going to go ahead and click add. Save. So that now that text is made, I now have Tuesday's post completed. So now we're going to go in here and press Tuesdays. We're going to go to attachment. We're going to go ahead and click choose file. And we're going to click the second one. And now what we're going to do is come in here. Let's say I just want to take what it says. Okay, or we can go ahead and use it. You should a contractor and is because maybe we want to go ahead and rewrite this. Yep, and then now it says, why choose a licensed low voltage contractor? Low voltage systems can be hazardous when improperly installed, maintained by hiring a licensed contractor. So we're going to go ahead and press copy and paste. And now I'm just going to that. And we want to make sure so it's easy to read. And maybe I want to make sure I put a close to action. Give us a call if you are looking to hire a low voltage contractor. And maybe I want to rewrite this. All right. And now we're just going to use Las Vegas low voltage. Maybe want to use Vegas subcontractor. Local business. Of course, just depends, and you may want to rewrite, and I'm just going to press save. So now, as you guys can see, I'm going to do the same for all of the rest of them, but now I have almost 5 weeks of content, and I have 2 posts saved. And then what I will actually do once I actually get this, is just my way just to lay it out. I'm actually going to go into the software I actually love. I'm going to go into Metricool. And I am actually going to make sure I'm under KB Communications, and I'm actually going to plan it out now. So I'm going to go to plan, and I'm going to, this is pretty awesome because it provides me the opportunity to post for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business. And if I have videos and stuff I want to post as well, I can do YouTube as well as shorts. And then I can do stories and reels as well as reels for Facebook. To me, this software has been game changing, and I'm just going to go ahead and schedule it out like I've marked it out on Trello. And to me, this is really useful because now you can see like it's not as feeling like I have so much work to do. Creating content before took forever. But this just provides me, it'll make it to where it's easier to get the content out there. But of course, you have to go in and like kind of make sure that it says things that you need to say AI is only going to do so much for you. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Don't hesitate to reach out. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and just share with you a cool software that I've recently learned. And I'm excited for the growth of AI. You guys have a great day.